Hey there guys, lot number 247 is pretty fantastic. This brand of sewing machine is called New Home, and as you can see it works. And if I get in closer, you can see the left needle and the right needle and the upper looper and the lower looper. Included are several spools of thread that go with it. Some little pieces here, and then more thread. Also included is this small little desk that it sits on. So we just wanted to show you this piece of fabulous machinery and get your bets in soon.